Good morning, everyone. We are moving on with Chapter 10. We are on 10.3, which is quotient of powers property. Now, this is going to be something similar to what we've been working on this week when we were doing the product of powers property. Now we're on the quotient of powers property. And if you recall, quotient means division. So when we were talking about the product of powers property, that was when we were multiplying exponents with the same base. Now, quotient of powers property, we are going to be dividing exponents with the same base. So this is what this looks like. So say, for example, I have 4 to the 5th power divided by 4 squared, or 4 to the 2nd power. So you can see both of those powers have the same base of 4. So what we would do here, when you are dividing powers or exponents that have the same base, you subtract the exponents. So if you recall, when we were multiplying powers with the same base, we added the exponents. If we are dividing powers with the same base, we are subtracting the exponents. So it no longer looks like a fraction. 4 to the 5th power divided by 4 to the 2nd power is going to be 4 to the 5 minus 2. I'm subtracting the exponents. The top, the one that's in the numerator, goes first, minus the exponent that's in the denominator. So then this then turns into 4 to the 3rd power, or 4 cubed. So if they have the same base, you subtract the exponents and keep the base. Okay, so we'll go down here and do an example. Let's say we have -8 to the 10th power divided by -8 to the 6th power. Okay, so that's going to turn into -8, 10 minus 6, I'm just subtracting the bottom exponent from the top exponent, and that's going to equal -8 to the 4th power. And that's it for the quotient of powers property. I'm going to go ahead and flip to the next screen here. If we need to simplify an expression, which you'll have to do with these types of problems as well. So let's say we have 6 cubed times 6 to the 4th power divided by 6 to the 2nd power, or 6 squared. So now you see we are multiplying with the same base and dividing with the same base. So you want to take care of what's going on in your numerator first. So here I have same base, I'm multiplying, I add these two exponents. So this turns into 6, 3 plus 4 over 6 squared, which then equals 6 to the 7th power over 6 squared. And now I'm in a position where I can just subtract the exponents. So this will equal 6 to the 5th power. Okay? And that is how you simplify that expression. Please let me know if you have any questions on this. I am here for you. Have a great rest of your week. And this is the last video, I believe, unless I add one for Friday just as a little fun thing. Or actually, this one is Fridays. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so confused. I'm making videos for all 3 grade levels, and I get lost on where I'm at. So, have a great weekend if I don't talk to you before then. Thank you.